Today I'm trying fries. They are actually delicious. I have not eaten fries in months. One of my pregnancy aversions were fries, and quite a few other foods, including cheeseburgers, fried chicken. No, I wasn't eating any of that. There's something about it just didn't sit well with me, and my stomach couldn't tolerate it. But these fries are good. Like, I guess my body just didn't like grease and fat. I don't know, but it's been months since I had a fry, and they taste so good compared to when I ate them months ago. They were just nasty and awful. Oh, they had this yucky taste. I just couldn't eat them. I didn't care where the fries came from. I just couldn't eat them. And now, these fries are good. Yum, yum, yum.